Solid tips and tricks for all affiliate marketers. If you've been looking for a way to earn more from your website, an affiliate marketing program may be just the ticket. By partnering with a company that offers high-quality products your visitors really want, you can bring in a steady income without much effort. This video can help you find the best program for you. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. Use ranking tools and software to research what works for your audience. Find out what ads and pages are gaining you customers. If a particular ad is not sending any traffic to your affiliate, then get rid of it and try something new. Affiliate marketing requires constant tweaking to get to maximum effectiveness. Do not ignore charts. We are visual creatures, and you will start to recognize trends in a chart before you can find it in the indicators. Learn what the charts are showing you so you can act quickly on changes in the market. Be careful of using too many technical indicators, as they can paralyze your willingness to follow the signs you see. Remember, affiliate marketing programs can be a great way to bring in more money, but you need to do your homework before you pick a program. By taking your time and finding the affiliate program that's right for you, you will make the most of this opportunity. Just remember what you've learned from this video. Student loan.